Hello, today I'm filming beside the covered bridge downtown Guelph. If you haven't heard about it, every Saturday morning at 9 o'clock there's an event called Park Run just on the other side of the bridge at Aramasa Park. It's a 5-kilometer timed run that's absolutely free. It goes along the river trail and it's a great community event. So if you like to run, you like to get involved with the community, I highly recommend checking it out. Now with that said, this video and report provides the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of January 2024. The housing market is starting to buzz again with plenty of new listing and home sale activity. Let's take a look at some of the key month-over-month stats relative to December of 2023. In Guelph, the median sale price was $742,000, which is up by 2%. The average sale price per square foot was $500, up by 2.5%. The total number of listings was 181, up by 159%, and the total number of sales was 95, up by 48.8%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $717,000, which is up by 6.1%. In Waterloo, it was $720,000, up by 6.3%, and in Cambridge, it was $714,000, up by 0.6%. Guelph home sales had quite the boost in January, jumping by a solid 48.4% from the previous month. However, when we look back at the same time last year, there's a slight 3.1% dip. And compared to 5 years ago, we're seeing a bigger drop of 24%. There were 181 new listings in January, showing a pretty impressive 159% increase from December of last year. Looking back at the previous year, the increase is a bit more reasonable at 15.3%. But when we compare to 5 years ago, there's still a noticeable 32% decrease in market activity. The current buyer and seller activity suggests a vibrant start to the 2024 market. The ongoing trend of homes selling well and new options entering the market calls for attention and consideration from both buyers and sellers. Click on the link down below to view the full housing stats for our local markets. And please reach out to me if you're considering purchasing or moving this year. I'd be happy to help you out. And of course, referring your friends or family members to me is greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot for joining me and have a great day.